Hello everyone. Hi Aries, fire sign. So this is the reading for you, and this is December weekly reading and general reading may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, and energy could be vice versa. Okay. So let's see what's going on. Messages Aries, fire sign, December weekly. So let's see. Wow. Someone is coming back for reconciliation, for new beginnings with you. For some, your person already approached you. For some, if not, they're going to be, because there is a lot of commitment, marriage, new beginnings, long-term commitment. I am seeing all positive cards. There is no negative card in this reading. This is very positive reading, Aries. Yeah, I think the Fool, and in recent past the Scorpio and Three of Cups. Yeah, one person is coming back for reconciliation, and one person in this connection undergoing some spiritual awakening, some transformation. It could be you or your person. If you are in separation, definitely your person coming back for reconciliation, and you stand by your power. This time, this is you, Empress. Yeah, you stand by your power, and yeah, they're coming back. If you're in separation, if you are not in separation, if you are in relationship, your person want to marry you, they want to commit to you. Okay, they want to give some name to your relationship. I think marriage is the final destination for relationship, what I am see. So definitely they want to marry you, definitely they want to commit to you, because they have fun with Ace of Pentacles, long term commitment. Yeah, so your person not committal in past, now they want to commit to you. If you are in separation, definitely your person coming back for reconciliation with solid offer, because Ace of Pentacles with Hierophant, definitely commitment and marriage proposals, and they're rushing towards you very fastly, because Knight of Swords. Yeah, some communication also you can expect, and the Strength. You or your person could be Leo also. Definitely this time you stand by your power, you are very grounded. And Three of Pentacles. Yeah, there is no partnership and collaboration between both of you guys in past. Now your person want to work on this relationship, and your person want partnership with you. Yeah, they're ready to work on this relationship. In past, there may be no equal give and take between both of you. You only the person always putting the efforts or invest in this connection. Now your person want to take this relationship to next level. And Three of Pentacles, for some you both working on the same office like colleagues. Yeah, I think there is reunion, what I'm seeing here. Definitely for some you also want reunion with your person if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely this relationship is going to be next level. Yeah, there is some upgrade in this relationship. So you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy, Aries, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy. Yeah, so let's see your person current feelings and then near future action towards you, then you will get more clarity. What's going? So Aries, your person current feelings first. Temperance, Six of Swords. Okay, two cards, Three of Pentacles, and this card is Judgment. Yeah, I think, yeah, they want to work on this relationship. I already told you. Definitely if there are any disturbances between both of you, they want to fix the disturbances, and they want to fix the things between both of you. And but temperance means, I think there is no balance in this connection. In past there is no patience, but now your person want to balance things between both of you, and yeah, they are waiting patiently for the right time to come towards you. Yeah, they are coming back, but very fastly. Okay, and Three of Pentacles, definitely they want to work on this relationship, guys. Wow. Communication, some honest communication you will receive. Three of Pentacle two times. I think this time your person is serious. maybe in past they don't, but now they want you back in their life if you are in separation, but now they want to work on this relationship very seriously. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see the near future actions towards you, Aries. Knight of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Wheel of Fortune. I already told you they are waiting for the right time, definitely, because Knight of Pentacles, Five of Wands with the Wheel of Fortune, definitely there are some disturbances. I think your person ready for your attention, okay? And Wheel of Fortune means they are waiting for the right time to come towards you, and Knight of Pentacles, they are coming back, but for some your person may be in slow moving energy. They are taking their time, they are waiting for the right time, because Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely something is going to be changed in your life, because your person want to work on this relationship, and they are waiting for positive change in your relationship. Yeah, they don't want to miss the opportunity this time, so that's why they are waiting for the right time. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Five of Wands. Yeah, there are some disturbances between both of you, but they are coming back to work on this relationship and to fix things between both of you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed and outcome. Two of Cups. Wow. King of Pentacles. Seven of Swords. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, I think in past your person may be played games with you, because Seven of Swords, some sneaky energy. I think one person in this connection, these are mutual energies outcome. One person may be hiding something from the other person, miscommunication, false communication, some lies involved. Definitely one person lied in this connection. And Seven of Pentacles, one person invest more than the other person in this connection. But I am seeing you both have strong connection, because Two of Cups is here, there is love. I think for some it could be soulmates also. One person feeling that the other person is their soulmate in this connection. And King of Pentacles, definitely long-term commitment. But one person is sneaky in past. Maybe it could, if it is not third party, it is okay. If it is third party, take decision wisely, because Seven of Swords is a sneaky energy. So I think you have some trust issues, Aries, regarding your person. Yeah, because you invested a lot in this connection in past, but now you afraid to invest. Yeah, that's, I think you overcome all that trauma, drama, whatever is going between you both. Definitely now you stand by your power. Now they are coming back, but you have some trust issues due to past issues. Okay, but this time your person may be for some really changing for you. Yeah, because Two of Cups with King of Pentacles. For some, depending upon your situation, if you know already about that your person is putting you in third party, so 100% sure that your person is not changed. Okay, so take decision depending upon your situation. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aries. Six of Wands, Five of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Six of Swords. Some communication, definitely they are coming back to fix the things. For some, you decided to move on from this person. You want to move on. Yeah, because you don't know to trust this person or not. You are juggling. Yes. And yeah, definitely you are also feeling sad because you invested in this connection. And Six of Wands. For some, there will be reconciliation. You will get success in this connection. For some, you want to move on from this person and you will get success in another area of your life, career, whatever you want. So decision is yours. Definitely they are coming back for second chance. It's up to you to give or to move on. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Queen of Swords, see, 7 of Swords, 8 of Swords, Chariot. Yeah, they're coming back to take this relationship to next level, but I think they're stuck right now. That's why there is some slow moving energy. 7 of Swords again, be careful because this is sneaky energy. If you know that your person is really sneaky, so you have to take decision wisely, but some communication is coming. If your person is really sneaky, definitely they played some mind games with you. They're playing, okay? So think twice before taking any decision. Because 7 of Swords is 2 times. One person in this connection is sneaky, energy could be vice versa. Guys, take what resonate. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy is here. Communication. Yeah. So it's up to you totally, Aries. So this is the reading for you. Hope it's resonate to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.